Hey man, I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, just so I could explain a little more in depth how we could start that process of getting that second branch open over there in Lansing. So there's three main things to kind of think about and talk about when trying to do this. The first thing is your website and the content. The second thing is a Google business profile. And the third thing is backlinks. So, take a look at your website here. It looks really good, and you have really great pictures, but there's a couple things I do recommend. You want to click to call, so you definitely want a button on here so someone can click it and call you right from your page. And then you also want a lead form that people can fill out and submit to you that way as well. Otherwise, you're just losing out on a lot of money, and people that are visiting your website don't have an easy way to get a hold of you. So I definitely recommend you get a click to call up here and a contact form, just so you can land those clients that are already on your website. The second thing is the content. So you want those buyer intent keywords to be on your website. So for example, you want keywords like Grand Rapids fence installation, Grand Rapids fencing, fencing contractor Grand Rapids, and I don't see too much of that on here. So you definitely want to get those keywords on your website. What I would do personally is I would leave your homepage just the way it is so you can keep that clean look and feel to it. And what I would do is I would add another tab up here named locations, and then you could create your Grand Rapids location, and you would put all those buyer intent keywords on your Grand Rapids page, and then you'd have your Lansing location, and then you would put all of your Lansing keywords on your Lansing page. But you want about 100 words of content for every keyword. So if you have 5 to 10 keywords that you're trying to rank for, you want to have about 750 to 1500 words of content. That's the first thing I like to go over. The second thing is the Google business profile. I'm guessing you have one for Grand Rapids, but I'm looking at Lansing right now just to kind of show you what Lansing is looking like. So once you finally did get a second location in Lansing, you'd obviously want to apply and get a GMB set up for that Lansing location. So we get you ranking up in here. The way you get your GMB ranked is honestly just optimizing it with the same keyword that you would use for the location. And then you want to put your business in as many directories as possible, like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, and so on. Because at the end of the day, having your business up here in the top 3 is free advertising for you. You want to be here. And then the third thing is backlinks. So backlinks and keywords will result in your website being ranked organically. So this is the start of the organic rankings here. You can see I typed in fence installation Lansing, Michigan, because that's one of the most buyer intent keywords there really is for fencing. Someone's looking for a fence installation in Lansing. So it's definitely one of the best. But this guy's ranking on top here, so I went in and took a look at his website. Not doing anything special. He definitely has more content than you do, which allows him to fit in more keywords and to rank. Well, he's in Lansing and you're not yet, but I'm explaining, And then what I do is I take their website and I put it into Ahrefs. What Ahrefs is it's a research tool essentially. It compiles all of Google's data, and then it shows their backlink profiles, their keywords, where they're ranking, how much traffic they're getting. So you can see here they have not that many backlinks or domains, so it wouldn't be too hard to beat them out. And then we can go in there and take a look at their keywords. And these are great keywords to rank for. So fence company, Lansing, Michigan, Lansing fence, fence companies, Lansing, fencing, Lansing, fence installation. And you can see there's about 200 traffic per month. So this guy is, and this isn't 100% accurate, but he's probably getting anywhere from 50 to 100 traffic per month from these keywords, from people looking to get a fence installed. So that's pretty huge for him, and I bet he's banging out some fences. But what I can do is I can go in and take a look at his backlinks, and then I can go in and take a look at each backlink he has, and you can get the same backlinks for you, or even you could get these same backlinks. All you have to do is create a profile and list your business, essentially. And then you go through and get all those backlinks, and then obviously you want to get more because you want to beat them, and you want to be ranked on top for good. And I wanted to show you in Google Keyword Planner also, just because it's more accurate data about the keywords and the average monthly searches. So you can see just about the same here. Fence installation, Lansing, Michigan, 40 searches per month. And once you add them all up for like the buyer intent keywords anyway, there's about 200. And if we just be conservative and say we can get 20% of those 200 buyer intent keyword searches, that ends up to be 40 website traffic visitors. And out of those 40 people, let's say half call you because all of them needed a fence, but only half called you. So you got 20 people calling you. And we could also be conservative and say you close them at 25% rate. And that would come out to 5 jobs. So just being super conservative, you could probably definitely land at least 5 jobs per month. So I hope you liked this video. And if you want to talk, we can jump on a quick call together and go a little bit more in depth and see if we'd like to do this. All right, you have a good day, man.